if you have a washer like this one, or if any brand like Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, and you're trying to do a cycle, and for some reason your washer is not responding, and you wanna know what's the problem or what happened with this one, you can try to do a hard reset and to see if the hard reset fix your problem. Right now I'm going to show you how to do a hard reset on this kind of the washer, Whirlpool, or you can do Amana or Kenmore, but with this type of control, okay? Right now we're going to do a hard reset, okay? The first thing, the one we're going to check is we're going to make sure the door is closed, okay? I'm going to put this lid lock right here just to show you, but you make sure the door of the washer is closed, okay? And then we're going to turn this one all the way to the back like this one. Right there. And then we're going to wait a few seconds, and then we're going to turn this one to the left. 1 and 1, 2, 3 to the right, 1 to the left, 1 to the right. And then you're going to see all the lights flashing, okay? And then 1, 2, and you're going to see the drain spin the light on, and then we're going to press start. And then you're going to hear the water, filling water, and then this one going to stop, and then you have to wait a few seconds, and then you're going to see water again. And then you have to wait around 1 minute, okay? We want to wait around 1 minute to finish the process. This one is a hard reset. Or some people they say it's a test mode cycle. And then it's going to wash. Right now it's going to wash. Just wait a few seconds, and then it's washing, but it's not moving the clothes, okay? And then right now it's raining, right there. And then now it's going to spin. And this washer, the spring rolls are bad. Suspension is bad. So now we're going to see the light done. It's done. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching.